To add a fan-out transition, first drag your video clips onto the timeline, placing them on the same track one after another. Go to the Transitions tab and find the fan-out transition. If it's your first time using it, click to download it. Then, drag and drop the transition between your two video clips. A pop-up window titled Create Duplicate Frames for Transition will appear. Click OK to proceed. The gray bar between your clips represents the transition. You can adjust its duration on the right side panel or by directly dragging the edges of the gray bar. If you have multiple clips and want to apply the same transition to all of them, place all your clips on the same track. Then, click on the Transitions gray bar and, in the right panel, select Apply to All. Your fan-out transitions are now applied.